Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. Today, business owners and entrepreneurs are using it daily to save time, improve communication, and create better content. One of the most exciting features in ChatGPT is the ability to create custom GPTs. The good news is that you do not need a paid plan to start experimenting with them. Even free users can build and use custom GPTs to make their work easier. In this video, we will walk through what custom GPTs are, how to access them, and how to get started even if you are using the free version of ChatGPT. What are custom GPTs? Custom GPTs are tailored versions of ChatGPT. They are agents created inside ChatGPT that follow specific instructions and can be equipped with extra knowledge or behaviors. Instead of using the general ChatGPT for everything, you can create a custom GPT that knows how to do a particular job. For example, a content writer GPT for blog posts, a marketing assistant GPT for writing social media captions, a customer support GPT that answers questions in your company's tone. Think of custom GPTs as specialized team members. They are still powered by the same ChatGPT engine, but they are shaped to fit your business needs. Can free users access custom GPTs? Yes, free users can access and create custom GPTs. You do not need ChatGPT Plus to try them out. The main difference is that free accounts are limited to GPT-4, while Plus accounts can use GPT-5. For many tasks like writing posts, drafting emails, and brainstorming ideas, GPT-4 is more than enough. So if you are just starting, you can experiment with building GPTs at no extra cost. How to find and explore GPTs. Inside ChatGPT, there is an option called Explore GPTs. This is like an app store for AI. It contains hundreds of ready-made GPTs built by OpenAI and other creators. You can browse by category, such as business, education, or personal productivity. With a free account, you can try these GPTs right away. For example, you might use a resume helper GPT to polish job applications, or a recipe GPT to plan weekly meals. Businesses often look for marketing, writing, and productivity GPTs that save time on daily tasks. How to create your own custom GPT. Creating a custom GPT is surprisingly simple. You do not need coding skills. Here is how you can do it. Open ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Select Create a GPT. Follow the step-by-step guide. You will be asked questions about what you want the GPT to do, the tone it should use, and any special instructions. Save your GPT and start using it right away. You can keep your GPT private for personal use, or you can share it with others. Benefits of using custom GPTs in business. Custom GPTs save businesses time and money by automating tasks that used to take hours. Some of the main benefits include consistency. Every response, article, or message has the same style and quality. Speed. Content that takes a human writer hours can be produced in minutes. Flexibility. You can build GPTs for different areas of your business, such as sales, marketing, or customer service. Even small businesses can use them to compete with larger companies by working smarter, not harder. Explore our store of GPTs today at Smart AI Bundle and find the tools to simplify your work. If you want to skip the learning curve, our store offers a wide range of custom-trained GPTs for multiple business purposes. These GPTs are ready to use and designed for practical tasks like writing SEO blog posts, generating social media campaigns, improving customer support, and even drafting legal or service documents. Instead of spending weeks building your own, you can get instant access to GPTs that are already trained for business. This makes it simple for entrepreneurs and agencies to put AI to work from day one. Common issues to watch out for. While custom GPTs are useful, there are some common challenges. Over-reliance. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. Always review important content before publishing. Vague instructions. If your custom GPT does not perform well, the issue is often in the setup. Clear instructions are key. Free account limits. With GPT 3.5, responses might be less detailed compared to GPT-4, but they are still valuable for most business tasks. Safety and best practices. When creating or using custom GPTs, avoid entering sensitive information such as passwords or private customer details. While ChatGPT is designed with privacy in mind, it is always best to keep personal and financial data out of AI systems. A good habit is to use GPTs for drafting, planning, and brainstorming. Then refine the content yourself before publishing or sending it to customers. What results can you expect? With the right setup, businesses see clear improvements. Marketing content gets produced faster. Customer support responses become more consistent. Teams save hours every week on routine writing. Even free users can notice a big difference after setting up a few custom GPTs. The combination of specialized knowledge and clear prompts creates a smoother workflow. Final thoughts. Custom GPTs are one of the most powerful features of ChatGPT. They let you build AI assistants that fit your business perfectly. The best part is that you do not need to pay to start using them. Even with a free account, you can create and test custom GPTs today. If you are new to AI, begin by exploring the GPT store. Try out different GPTs that others have built. Once you feel comfortable, create your own tailored GPT to handle tasks in your business. Over time, you will discover how much faster and easier work becomes when AI is not just general, but built to serve your exact needs.